Okay, this is Largo de São Domingos. I'm gonna capture it right here. São Domingos Square. I'm just gonna take a little walk around here and just kind of show you what it looks like. It's kind of cool. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are at São Domingos. Just to give you a little context, down there is Senado Square. So this is São Domingos Square. So I'm thinking traditionally there used to be just a road that would go through here, and these were all buildings that looked a little bit drab, but they really beautified them and they turned it into a pedestrian street. And they did it quite a while ago. And it looks beautiful. So that's Senado Square, and they got, let's kind of get down there a little bit. You can hear some live music down there, so they're playing jazz, and then there's a little area on the side right over there that has, you can buy beer, drinks, snacks, food, some food. It's not a restaurant though, but it's more like this. Hello. That's cool. So we're gonna come and show you São Domingos. So that's kind of cool. Friendly people. Today is Sunday, so today is the day that a lot of Filipinos have the day off. Especially if they work in, well, Sunday's a day off for many people. So you'll see more Filipinos on a Sunday than other days. São Domingos. So let's just kind of get a little closer, give you some context to everything. So there's like some little parks in here as well. Okay. Then we can kind of keep going up that way. Looks like there's a church service tonight as well. Okay. So we're gonna go up a little bit and kind of try to give a little bit of context. So now we're on Rua de São Domingos. Rua. So street of São Domingos. So it says Rua right on that sign right there. And then this is São Domingos Square. So we're gonna leave the square a little bit. That's that beautiful church. Try to get it from a distance. So we're gonna go up just a little bit, and then you can catch it from a different angle. Then you got some beautiful architecture up here too. Okay, so we're gonna try to turn around once we get up to maybe right about there, I think. Maybe a little further. You got all those cool buildings, and then now you can see the church from this angle right there. Let's go up a little bit more. Give you some context. And there's a way to go to São Paulo ruins, which is to the left, and also the Portuguese embassy and consulate, which would be straight ahead. So that way would be to the Portuguese embassy and consulate. And it's all pedestrian until you get to about Manning's, and then there's a road there. And this is all São Paulo ruins. This is all pedestrian. Goes all the way up to the ruins. And you also have São Domingos, which is all the way down. So yeah, pretty amazing little place. So that's our focus right there, São Domingos Square. São Paulo ruins would be a different one altogether. There's another plaza up there, so I might try to focus on that one in a minute as well. Let's kind of fade out a little bit. Got this giant circle right there as well. So it's a stand on the circle, then we're just going to do a little 360, including these apartments, right? So I want to capture some of those too. So yeah, pretty cool little space. Sometimes I look at other cities in China and like, oh yeah, I got to visit here and here and here because all the beautiful lighting and but then when I'm in Macau and I'm walking around here, there's it's amazing. Can't even replicate how beautiful it is. There we go. It's cool. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.
过天地。